ano yung balloon.
Sorry. Diba? Ang tataray ng contestants natin, ang saya. Talagang full of confidence, kaya kailangan talagang
Go, Joseph!
magpakitang gilas tayo sa ating pagkain ng ating lots of pizza. Ayan. Kailangan may sauce pa. Baka kailangan mo ng tissue. Bibigyan din namin kayo. Also, don't forget, kahit sa anong paraan, pwedeng kainin ng pizza, pwedeng i-pile up, basta sa mabilis na paraan, kainin, ubusin, pero hindi pwedeng magtulungan. Ganun na mangyayari. Iwanan ng box, huwag nang kainin ng box, at huwag nang lunukin ang bottle ng mineral water. Okay, kapag maubos yan, at kapag nalunok na ubos na natin lahat, kailangan sabihin ang mga salitang lots of pizza, lots sarap talaga. Ano ulit yung isisigaw?
Lots of pizza, lots sarap talaga!
Ayan, yung ating contestant, sabihin nga natin ulit, lots of pizza, lots sarap talaga.
Lots of pizza, lots sarap talaga!
Very good. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, isisigaw yan ng 3 beses, okay? And then the winner for this batch will go back on Sunday for the Grand Pizza Eating Challenge. Ha? At 5,000 pesos ang at stake on Sunday. Dito may cash. Gold cash po yan, 5,000 pesos. Okay, are we ready? Are you ready, everybody? Are you ready? Lots of
Pizza! Pizza!
Okay, so everybody's ready. So I think it's time for us to begin with our pizza eating challenge. Lots of pizza, ready, get set, and go! Ayan. So ginagawa rin ng sandwich, pinagpatong.
Joseph!
Ayan.
Joseph! Joseph, sabi mo doon sa Ate Chris, go! Go, friends!
Ayan, sige, cheer po natin sila. Ayan.